Hi, I am Dr. Pradeep Kumar N. I am a consultant plastic surgeon in Bangalore. Now, when we consider facial palsy reconstruction, it is very important that patient is ready for this reconstruction. Patient should have undergone repeated physiotherapies to keep the facial muscles intact. It's an important thing if we consider the patient for facial palsy reconstruction. And also, we need to thoroughly evaluate him to see what is the reason he is having facial palsy. If any reversible causes are there, we try to address them. And patient should know that when we are doing facial palsy reconstruction, it is a repeated physiotherapy process where we need to giving stimulations and recovery is expected over time.